Foreign trade multiplier. The foreign trade multiplier, also known as export multiplier, operates like an investment multiplier of Keynes. This trade multiplier is almost same as like investment multiplier of Keynes. It may be defined as the amount by which national income of a country will be raised by a unit increase in domestic investment or export. This is one foreign trade multiplier. It defined as the amount by which the national income of a country will be raised by a unit increase in domestic investment or export. What is an investment multiplier? Investment multiplier is change in income as a result of change in investment. Okay. Then foreign trade multiplier is very simply change in income as a result of change in export. It defined as the amount by which national income of a country will be raised by a unit increase in export. As export increases, there is an increase in the income of all persons associated with export industries. When export increases, there will be an increase in the income of persons associated with the export industries. These in turn create demand for goods. When export increases, the income of people associated with export industry will increases, that create demand for goods. But this is depend upon the marginal propensity to save and marginal propensity to import. When export increases, the persons associated with the income of the persons associated with export industry will increase. It will definitely increase the demand for goods, but it depends on marginal propensity to save and marginal propensity to imports. The smaller these marginal propensities are, the larger will be the value of foreign trade multiplier and vice versa. Smaller these marginal propensities, that is MPM and MPS, the larger will be the value of multiplier and vice versa. Then foreign trade multiplier process can be explained like this. Suppose the export of a country increase. To begin with, the exporters will sell their product to foreign countries and receive more income. The exporters will sell their product to foreign countries and they receive more income. In order to meet the foreign demand, they will engage more factors of production to produce more. In order to meet the foreign demand, they will engage more factors of production to produce more quantities. This will raise the income of the owners of factors of production. This process will continue and national income increases by a value of multiplier. Okay. Suppose the export of a country increases, exporters will sell their product to foreign countries and they receive more income. And the exporters will engage more factors of production to produce more in order to meet the foreign demand. This will raise the income of owners of factors of production. This process will continue and national income increases by the value of multiplier. The value of multiplier depends on the value of marginal propensity to save and marginal propensity to import. There being an inverse relationship between the two propensities and export multiplier. The foreign trade multiple can be derived as follows. We know that national income identity of an open economy equal to y equal to c plus I plus x minus m, where y equal to national income, c equal to consumption, I equal to investment, x equal to export, m equal to imports. The relationship can be solved as y minus c equal to I plus x minus m. What is y minus c? That is income minus consumption equal to saving. So instead of y minus c, we can write it as s. So s equal to I plus x minus m. S equal to I plus x minus investment saving equal to investment plus export minus import. That is net export. S plus m equal to I plus s. Saving plus imports equal to investment plus export. Thus, at equilibrium level of income, the sum of savings and import S plus M must equal to the sum of investment and export. At the equilibrium level of income, the sum of saving and import must equal to the sum of investment and export. In an open economy, the investment component, that is I, is divided into domestic investment and foreign investment. So, total investment we can write it as the sum of foreign investment and domestic investment. Domestic investment equal to ID and foreign investment equal to IF here. We know saving investment equal to S. Instead of I, we can write ID plus IF. That is foreign investment plus domestic investment equal to S. This is the equation number 1. Foreign investment plus domestic investment equal to saving. That is equation number 1. Foreign investment is the difference between exports and imports of goods and services. Foreign investment, that is IF, is the difference between exports and imports of the goods and services. So, we can write IF equal to X minus M. Export minus import is the equation number 2. Substituting equation number 2 into equation number 1, we have, substituting this equation number 2 into equation number 1, we will get ID plus X minus M equal to S. ID plus X minus, instead of IF, we can write it as X minus M equal to S. So, or ID plus X equal to S plus M, which is the equilibrium condition of national income in an open economy. The foreign trade multiplier coefficient, that is KF, is equal to KF, foreign trade multiplier coefficient, equal to delta Y by delta X, that is change in income as a result of change in exports. And delta X equal to delta S plus delta M, change in saving plus change in imports. Okay, dividing both sides of the equation by delta Y, we get delta X by delta Y, change in export divided by change in income, equal to delta S plus delta M divided by delta Y, that is change in saving plus change in import divided by change in income. We can write it as change in income, delta Y by delta X equal to delta Y by delta S plus delta M. Delta Y by delta is equal to what? Foreign trade multiplier coefficient. That is change in income as a result of change in exports. So instead of delta Y by delta X, we can write it as KF. foreign trade multiplier equal to delta y by delta S plus delta M. Dividing the numerator and denominator by delta y, we get delta y by y 1 divided by delta S by delta y plus delta M divided by delta y. Delta y. Delta S divided by delta y equal to what? Marginal propensity to save. And delta M divided by delta y equal to marginal propensity to imports. So, we can rewrite the equation as KF, foreign trade multiplier, equal to 1 by marginal propensity to save plus marginal propensity to imports. This is the equation for foreign trade multiplier. KF equal to 1 by marginal propensity to save plus marginal propensity to imports. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Suppose marginal propensity to save equal to 0.3, marginal propensity to imports equal to 0.2, and change in export, that is, here we assume increase in the export equal to 1000 crores. We get KF equal to delta y by delta x equal to 1 by MPS plus MPM. So delta y, change in income, equal to 1 by MPS plus MPM multiplied by change in export. This delta x. So 1 divided by MPS 0.3 plus MPM 0.2 multiplied by change in x, that is increase in export equal to 1000 crores. So multiplied by 1000 equal to 2000 crores. That is export increases by 1000 crores, income increased by 2000 crores. It shows that an increase in the export by 1000 crores has risen national income through the foreign trade multiplier by 2000 crores, given the values of marginal propensity to save and marginal propensity to imports. That example shows that an increase in the export by 1000 crores will increase the income through foreign trade multiplier by 2000 crores, given the values of marginal propensity to save and marginal propensity to imports. This is what foreign trade multiplier. Okay.